In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to download and use the Falcon Scaler application. The Play Store must be accessed. And you search for the word Falcon Scanner and download it to the device. Notifications must be allowed. Then, the assigned credentials are entered. Once it is initialized, we can see an assignment card, a dashboard where the active services, assignments, and completed ones will be shown. At this time, we are going to create a service. It can be accessed by the New Service button or the center button of the camera. It is given in Start Cover Act. Access to the camera is allowed, and it already shows them to be able to focus on a boarding. Here the name, airline, flight number are scanned, and the door number must be added. You can select between the type regular or query off or query on if it is first class and is given to create in service. Once here, the service is created. This service has a counter that will notify if more than an hour has passed, if more than 2 hours have passed, as reminders to close the service. Once the service is created, it is entered in the click and it shows us the data, the prompt, the tool, the name of the passenger, and what has been created and how long it has traveled. If the service is already finished, it will appear on the completed screen. So we go back to Assets. I click on it, and we slide it to close. So here they say where it was left, and observation must be added if optional. If there is no observation, nothing else is added. And it already appears to us in completed. It is seen that the duration was 1 minute. A time that started, that ended. Here are all the stats, finalized, total of the relationship where it came out, where it was left, and the observations. Here they will always appear by filters of this week. The one we just made will appear. If you are going to create a service and you are not going to use the camera, you access the button below where it says Enter Manually. The name of the passenger is placed. It is selected at the airline. Every time an airline is chosen, it will automatically bring the flights of that airline available. And the service is created. The service was already created there. We close it again. Place. And there, the services are already completed. We will also receive assignments sent by the supervisor. They will appear in the My Settings part. In this case, we were assigned on the Blue Airline to flight 8707 on the Gale, and the call time is at 12 o'clock. They tell us that they are A. We are informed who the leader is and who they are, the team that is assigned, and the observations that they send. Once this is received, it is given in confirmed service, and we go down here to assignments, and it already appears confirmed. Then, once the service is done and you go there, assignments must be entered when it is in its confirmed status, and when it is finished, it is changed to End Service. Once it is finished, it will no longer appear here, and the assignments end to be able to report. In addition, we have access to the tracking menu. Here, it must be allowed whenever the app is used. Here, you can use the search engine to crawl the web. If you need to change the language, you access the profile in the upper right corner, and here you change the Spanish language, make changes, and it closes and it appears in Spanish.